everyone, so it is it's Friday. I don't feel like wearing makeup today. I'm having really like puffy and watery eyes today, so I'm just gonna have a makeup free day because my allergies have been acting up so bad that, like, I don't know, I'm having really puffy eyes and really, like, I don't know if you notice how puffy my eyes are today. Like, they're more than usual. My eyes aren't this hooded usually. Like, they're hooded but not this bad. But yeah, filmed a little I cleaned my room and everything and oh, I received some stuff in the mail. I bought some hair products because I was running really low on some hair products, and I got those in the mail, so I'm really excited to use those. I need to wash my hair like tomorrow, so I can show you guys me doing my hair like after I wash it. My eyes feel so heavy, like they just feel really like heavy. I don't know how to explain it.